Hi there, my name is AJ Limquando and I am co-owner of Dansel Restoration. Here at Dansel Restoration, we help property owners get their lives back to normal with our restoration services. These services include water restoration, mold remediation, fire restoration, and sewage cleanup. Living in the Bay Area, rain is a common issue, which causes property owners to deal with roof leaks and more. As restoration specialists, we come in and handle these roof leaks by drying out any rooms that are affected with water damage. It's crucial within 24 hours of water damage to get that handled or mold will generate. Once mold is generated and it's not properly treated, it can turn into higher costs for the property owner, and more so, it can cause a lot of illnesses for the property owner and their family. So at Dansel Restoration, we come in, dry out the property that's affected, and once it's dried out, we go ahead and treat the mold so the mold does not generate and turn into a bigger problem. So what we'll do is we'll come into your property, analyze it, make an assessment, and come up with an action plan that's best fitted for your problem. Here at Dansel Restoration, we care about you and your family's health. So we're gonna do our best to create an action plan to get your life back to normal. Whether you're a homeowner or a commercial property owner, here at Dansel Restoration, we're here to help you. We're located in San Jose, California, but we serve the entire Bay Area. Give us a call and we'll be sure to help you out.